There's so many videos that are out there that actually explain what a tax-free savings account is, but some of them are so long that you're actually getting up confused and you don't even know what you were actually listening to and you have to go back. But in this video, I'm going to be giving you a summarized version of what a TFSA, or what you call it, a tax-free savings account is. So, are you ready? Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Eva Joy. I'm your personal finance coach. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any videos from me. And let's just get into it. So what exactly is a TFSA, or a tax-free savings account? This is an account where you can actually plan for your long-term goals by actually investing or saving some money into it, and actually it's free from tax, from SARS. So any dividends, any unit trust, anything that you put into that account is actually free from tax. The first fact about a tax-free savings account is that you can only invest an amount of 36,000 in a given financial year. So that means if your first investment or your first savings amount was on the 1st of February 2022, you can only invest an amount of 36,000 up until the 1st of February 2023. You cannot exceed that amount. And the lifetime limit on that account, it's actually 500,000 rands. So you cannot go over that amount. And if you do go over that amount for any reason whatsoever, SARS is going to find you, and SARS is going to make you pay for it. So you need to actually monitor your TFSA accounts or your tax-free savings account if you have them with different institutions. So let's say you have it with Capitec, or you have it with Nedbank, or you have it with FNB, those three accounts, and you are saving 10,000 rands, 10,000 rands in each of those accounts. You need to monitor that in any of those accounts, you actually don't go over the limit if you combine those three accounts. Fact number 2 is that you can have access to your money at any time, but you need to also find out from the service provider that you are actually having if they don't charge you for the withdrawal fee. I know with Capitec they charge you 300 rand withdrawal fee, but with most of the other institution you can have funds at any time. You can have your funds are available to you at any given time. But I wouldn't advise that, because obviously it's going to hinder your goals. It's going to hinder you from obtaining your goals. Let's say you are saving for your child for 50,000. You're saving 50,000 rand for your child to go to college or to go to university, and you withdraw some of that money from that 50,000. Obviously, you are actually hindering yourself from obtaining that 50,000 goal that you had set for yourself. And also, one thing that I also need to let you know is that if you withdraw from your tax-free savings account, it's going to affect your limit. So for argument's sake, you have saved 50,000 rands and you decide, you know what, I want to withdraw that 50,000 rand. The 500,000 limit that you have on your tax-free savings account is going to be lowered now. So instead of 500,000, you are going to be having a 450,000 rand limit for your lifetime. You cannot go over the 450,000 rand. So the more you withdraw, the more it's going to affect your limit. The next fact is that you can open a tax-free savings account from any institution, any given financial services provider institution, not mashonisa. So yeah, you can go to Capitec, you can go to FNB, you can go to Standard Bank. Just also have some knowledge. The person that will be assisting you, ask questions so that you don't get yourself into something that you have no idea how it works. I know that this video is also giving you tips, but also ask questions so that you can be clarified, so that you can have more knowledge on the tax-free savings account. The other tip again is that money can be transferred from one tax-free savings account to the other. So let's say you have it with Capitec, you can transfer your money from Capitec to Standard Bank. Let's say you're just not happy with Capitec and you've decided, I want to close down Capitec and I want to go to Standard Bank. You can move your money from Capitec to Standard Bank. They don't say no, you keep your money here with us. No. You can transfer your money from Capitec to Standard Bank and vice versa. I know I keep saying Capitec, but yeah, vice versa. Even with FNB, even with Old Mutual, with African Bank. The last fact about TFSA, but not limited, is that you can open an account for your child. But then you have to know that if you open that kind of an account for your child, it may also affect them in the future when they want to start saving or open up a tax-free savings account. Their limit will also be limited. So let's just say, for an argument's sake, you have saved 50,000 for their college studies, and now they also want to start saving in their own tax-free savings account. The limit will be affected. So 50,000, you just have to minus 50,000 from the 500,000. That's the limit that they would have. Other than that, a tax-free savings account allows you to save money for the long run, and you are not obligated to actually put away money every month. You are not obligated to do that. You can put away monthly. You can put away money monthly. You can even put it annually, or whenever you have it. You are not obligated to actually say, you know what, 500 rand every month. No. So even for those that are unemployed or those that are earning a low amount, you can actually open up that account and start saving. And those also that are getting high salaries, you can actually also open up that account and start saving for your kids, for your future, for anything that you actually want to save for. So I love a tax-free savings account, free from tax. You can do it at any time, at any branch. Even your dividends are not affected. I love this account. So that's it from me to you. If you like this video and it helped you somehow, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you love this video, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.